Phantom Alert versus Apple, David versus Goliath battle. Good evening, I'm Brian, and tonight we delve into a legal saga unfolding in the United States Antitrust Court, a modern-day David versus Goliath tale between Phantom Alert and the tech titan Apple Inc., a trillion-dollar company. Phantom Alert, an app developer like Waze that uses crowdsourced data to help drivers drive safe and ticket-free, has brought forward grave accusations against Apple, alleging monopolistic practices and unfair restraints on trade. At the crux of Phantom Alert's case is the claim that Apple, with its iron grip over its devices and the App Store, is stifling competition and innovation. But let's take a closer look at the timeline of events leading up to this legal showdown. Phantom Alert's allegations. Phantom Alert asserts that Apple's stranglehold began with its rejection of Phantom Alert's crowdsourced COVID-19 tracking app in March 2020. Despite Phantom Alert's efforts to provide valuable user-generated pandemic-related services and data that would have saved lives and slowed down the pandemic, Apple allegedly shut the door to the App Store and access to global smartphone owners, citing stringent guidelines favoring recognized entities and its own COVID-19 apps. But the plot thickens. Phantom Alert contends that while they were barred entry, Apple proceeded to launch its own COVID-19 apps in collaboration with esteemed organizations like Google, the CDC, and the White House and others. Phantom Alert's grievances don't end there. They argue that Apple's conduct goes beyond mere rejection. It's about monopolizing access to smartphone users, the App Store, the Internet, and favoritism in the App Store. While Phantom Alert's app was denied, others, allegedly in violation of Apple's own guidelines, found a home on the App Store. Not fair, but is it illegal? Now the stage is set for a legal battle of epic proportions. Phantom Alert seeks justice, but the outcome will resonate far beyond the courtroom. As this saga unfolds, it's imperative to consider the implications. Will innovation thrive in an ecosystem dominated by tech giants, or will David's slingshot prevail against Goliath's might? Will Phantom Alert free the App Store, software developers, iPhone users, and stop big tech censorship? Support Phantom Alert. If you believe in fairness, competition, and the spirit of innovation, stand with Phantom Alert in their fight against monopolistic practices. Together, we can ensure a level playing field for all and future generations. Visit PhantomAlert.com and download their free iOS and Android apps and see what the kerfuffle is all about. Hate traffic ticket, speed traps, speed cameras, red light cameras, flooded roads, fire on the road, tornadoes, or COVID-19 near you? There is an app for that. Get Phantom Alert. Stay tuned for updates on this gripping legal battle between David and Goliath at PhantomAlert.com.